Alex?
Tickets.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10,
Ooh.
and 12.
And what is this thing over here?
Wood.
What's that?
The pasty too.
But what is that? Chicken? What's that? Chicken? Alex, what is this thing that Dada built? Chicken?
Chicken house.
Yes.
Chicken coop.
Good job.
And this is pooping.
That's poop plane. Can't forget
Where's
about the
chickens?
poop plane.
Over here.
Yeah. You wanna touch it? Here, you wanna watch it touch it? Oh, here's the metal thing right here. Sharpie. If there's a lot of them here in the lot. Okay, you wanna touch the chicken? There you go.
That's scared.
He's flying.
Trying to fly away.
Fly away. Up a star. Oh, there's the candy over there.
See you later.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Dada.
Dada.